All the viewers of EMA's YouTube channel. Today we have with us one of our candidates who has very recently cracked SSB from 1 AFSB Dehradun on 25th August for FCAT entry. Prashant Sharma becomes our 65th star of EMA's Academy, and we had started in July 2018, and in this 2 years and about 3 months he's our 65th star. So today he's come to us for a short while, and we would like to ask him some questions. How did he prepare for SSB? Because Prashant has been a student of purely online batch. So this apprehension of a lot of students that online students cannot really imbibe the nuances of SSB, we want to put it to rest. Right. So Prashant, firstly congratulations, and I would like you to tell the viewers, how did you come to know about EMAS, how did you join, and how did you find this online experience? And did it really help you in understanding the various tasks and going and cracking it there?
So I would like to tell all my viewers, first of all, a very big thank you to the EMAS family for providing me a very good guidance, I would say. Sir made it very clear, the concepts were very clear. I came to know about EMAS from one of my relatives who recommended me, because he was also in the defense forces. So he recommended me EMAS. Thereafter I met sir, where we talked on the call, and sir very well told me that if you know the key concept towards going through that whole procedure, you can very well attempt it if you have that zeal in your mind to go through that particular system. So thereafter I joined EMAS Academy, the 2-week online course.
That was in July, I think.
Sir, it was in July 8th.
July, yeah.
Yes, sir. So July end I joined the course. It was a 2-week online course where we were taught everything about the SSB. We were not, I would say, coached, rather we were guided, and every concept was taught in a very good and a brief manner. So sir, that is how we also practiced through the online sessions that were conducted, and thereafter regular practices were also held, which rapidly increased our speed.
And especially the stage one. So we did some PPDT practice, we did some OIR practice. Was that helpful to you when you went there in the online, what you learned in stage one?
Yes, sir. In the online sessions, we were given a lot of practice, especially regarding the stage one. Now, we were very confident in the narration. Sir made us very confident in our narrating style, as well as how to narrate the stories in the phase one exactly. And that really helped us a lot.
Great. And so the biggest apprehension, Prashant, of the students is that in online, how will they make you practice the GTO task, right?
Yes, sir.
So when I taught you the GTO initially with the help of small models, and then subsequently, gave you a live this thing from the GTO ground. You saw that live? You were
Yes,
there
sir.
that time? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So were you able to catch on the main things, main points, and were you able to put them to use when you went there?
Yes, sir. That was indeed a very, I would say, good way of explaining about what actually happens on the ground. Sir has made very cute little tiny models that help us to grasp that whole concept of the GTO. And I would say it was really very helpful, because it is not about how to practice it, it is rather about grasping the concept behind to attempt any obstacle that is given in front of you. And I would say that was very well explained by sir at that time.
So of course, psych and interview, mock interview must have certainly have helped you. So now, I think you are also trying for other entries.
Yes, sir.
So I wish you all the best, Prashant.
Thank you very much,
And we wish you many more success in SSB.
Thank you, sir.
And of course, I wish you a very good position in the Air Force Merit,
Thank you,
as
sir.
well as the other SSB which you are going to.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you for coming and sparing your time and sharing your experience. And all the best for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
It
you.
was indeed a pleasure. Jai Hind, sir.
Good afternoon, friends, and a big Jai Hind to all the SSB aspirants. Today is a very momentous occasion that we have with us our 65th star of EMAS Academy, that is Prashant Sharma, who has very recently cracked his SSB from 1 ASB Dehradun. On 25th August, Prashant Sharma qualified the SSB from 1 AFSB Dehradun. So, as is the tradition, today we are just open for 1 hour for a cleaning purpose, as otherwise the institute is closed, as you are all aware. So he has come to meet us, and we are using this opportunity to gift him the EMAS tie, which is given to only the candidates who crack SSB. So Prashant, it's a very happy occasion for me to get my student to this place. I know because of COVID, we are all stuck in our places. So I'm grateful to you have spared your time and come to us within this 1 hour when we are open to clean the institute. So I request you to accept this time, and I'm
Thank you,
sure
sir.
you would like to wear it in all the occasions and in IMA
Sure.
or in Air Force Academy, whichever you join.
Yes.
So all the best to you for your
Thank you,
future.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.